Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today we are going to discuss chapter 6, numbers 10 to 20. Children, we have discussed this chapter already. Now we will start bookwork of this chapter. So kids, we will cover these topics in this chapter: concept of tens and ones, comparing numbers, before, after, between, backward counting and ordering. So children, take out your book. Question number 5. Draw beads on the abacus to show numbers. Here abacus are given. So what you have to do? You have to draw the beads according to their numbers. Here 1, 9, 19 is written. So first of all we will draw 9 beads at ones place, and here 1 is at tens place. So we will draw 1 bead at tens place. I hope you have understood. Now let's move on the board. I will give you another example of it. The number is 1, 3, 13. What we will do? We will draw 3 beads at ones place because it is written at the ones place. 1, 2 and 3. And how many beads are at tens place? We will draw 1 bead at tens place. Number will become 1, 3, 13. Now see the next question. Question number 6. Count the beads in the abacus and fill in the boxes. Here children, again this sum is based on abacus. What you have to do here? You have to count the beads and write the number of beads at their correct places. Suppose we are taking first question. Look here, beads are given in the picture. So we have to count the beads. We will start counting from ones. How many beads are here at ones place? 6 beads are here at ones place. So we will write 6 at ones place. And how many beads are here at tens place? 1 bead is at tens place. So we will write 1 at tens place. What number is here? 16. Now you can understand कि how we will make the number using abacus. Abacus को use करके हम number को कैसे form करेंगे? Now see here, abacus is given. This place for ones, this is for tens, and this is for hundreds. So we will start counting beads from ones place. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many beads are here at ones place? Here 7 beads are at ones place. So we will write 7 at ones place. And how many beads are here at tens place? 1 bead is here at tens place. So we will write 1 at tens place. Which number is here? The number will become 1, 7, 17. Rest of the sums you can do yourself. Now come at the question number 7. Write more or less in the boxes. Now what we have to do? We have to find out more or less in the boxes. First one is done. So children, now let us see on the board. Now children, 2 numbers are given here, 18 and 20. Now we have to find out this number is more or less. Children, you know the number which is closer to 0, that will be smaller, and the number which is farther from 0, that will be bigger. Here look at the counting. 0 is written here and 18 is written here and 20 is written here. So, between these 2 numbers, which number is closer to 0? 18 is closer to 0, so it will be less than 20. So 18 is less than 20. Children, you can do one thing more. You can compare their digits according to their places also. Here you can see, we will start compare the digit from tens place. Here 1 is written tens place, and here 2 is written at tens place. Now you know which number is smaller. 1 is smaller. So 18, the whole number will be smaller than 20. I hope you have understood. Let's see another question. Numbers are given 15 and 11. Now look here in the counting. Which number is closer to 0 between 15 and 11? Here 11 is coming first and 15 is coming later. So 11 is near to 0. 11 is closer to 0. So 11 will be smaller. So how we will read it? 15 is more than 11. 15 bada hai. So we will read it like 15 is more than 11. I hope you have understood. Now come to the next question. Question number 8. Put the correct sign greater, lesser or equal to in the boxes. Now children, numbers are given. You have to again compare the numbers and put the sign of greater, lesser or equal to. Now we can see in this, हम इसमें देख सकते हैं, 2 numbers are here, 18 and 20. Now which number is greater here? Just now I told you 18 is smaller and 20 is greater. So which sign we will put it in front of 18? We will put the sign of lesser than in front of 18. What is the meaning of this? 18 is lesser than 20. Now see in the next, 15 and 11 are given. Now 15 you know is more than 11. So we will put the sign of greater than in front of 15. How we will read it? We will read it 15 is greater than 11. I hope you have understood and you can do the sum yourself. Now question number 9 देखिए. Write true or false. True or false is just like same the questions we have done just now. We will read the statement and we will write true or false for it. First of all, 12 is more than 10. Here children, now see 12 is written here and 10 is written here. And the statement said that 12 is more than 10. This is farther from 0. So it is the bigger number. It is more than 10. So this statement is correct. 12 is more than 10. I hope you have understood. Now see one more question here. Now we will see 11 is less than 13. Now tell me this statement is correct or wrong. If the statement is correct, then we will write true. If it is not correct, then we will write false. So what is written here? 11 is less than 13. Now see where 11? 11 is here and 13 is here. And the statement is saying 11 is less than. It is less than because it is near to 0. It is closer to 0. So this statement is also correct. 11 is less than 13. So we will write true in front of this. I hope you have understood. Rest of the sums you can do yourself. Now come at the question number 10. 9 you can do yourself. Now come at the question number 10. Color the box with the bigger number red and the smaller number green. Here boxes are given and numbers are written in the boxes. Here 7 is written and here is 9. What you have to do? You have to color the boxes. The number which is bigger, you have to color in that box red, and the number which is smaller, you will fill the color green in that box. Now compare these numbers. Again you can compare. Look here. Numbers are 7 and 9. Now find out 7 is closer to 0. So this number is smaller. So we will fill green color in this. Now 9 is farther from 0. 9 is coming here. It is far from 0. So we will fill red color inside it. I hope you have understood. Now one more example, see. Numbers are 6 and 14. What you have to do, again the number which is smaller you have to fill green color in that, and the number which is bigger you have to fill red color in that. Now compare the number. Children, you can see this number is having only one digit and this number is having two digit, one digit and two digit. The number which is having less digit that will be smaller. जिस नंबर में कम डिजिट्स होती हैं वो नंबर स्मॉलर होता है. इस नंबर में ओनली वन डिजिट है तो इट विल बी स्मॉलर. सो यू विल फिल ग्रीन कलर इन दिस and 14 is bigger, so you will fill red color inside this box. I hope you have understood. Children, you have understood this chapter very well. Now do practice this chapter. Thank you, children.